Hi, so this is a hurricane update. I feel like no one ever talks about the aftermath of a hurricane. So these are the 8 biggest issues after a hurricane.
Mom, say it. Woo!
Immediately, schools are closed, daycare, you're out of work, you're pretty much unemployed, it's a state of emergency, and your immediate neighborhood is a hot mess. We didn't get hit that hard, but we did have a lot of tree damage from the wind. There's trash everywhere. The trash trucks don't run as normal. And also, we got a boil water notice. So basically, those essential things that you need, like water, electric, phone, trash trucks, all of that stuff just goes away. A lot of our palm trees are damaged. You guys know I love palm trees, and just seeing them like so sad. Oh my gosh. Number two, you see utility vehicles everywhere because they're trying to get things back in order. I would say the worst is no phone service. I wasn't able to communicate with my mom or family in Maryland, and they were looking at the news thinking that we were underwater. So that full day of no communication was really scary for everyone. Our governor declared our state a state of emergency, of course. So that also means that there is tons of military personnel everywhere, which was pretty cool and kind of weird at the same time, seeing them like everywhere you were trying to go. Publix did open, thank God, but guess what? There was no food. Like when people tell you to stock up on food, they say that for a reason because there's no restocks at any stores. Like no delivery service either. DoorDash wasn't working. We got a message about that as well. And there's no fast food. Even McDonald's was closed, y'all. Also, gas shortages, you guys. Listen, if you went to the gas station, the lines were miles long and there was a $20 limit. Also, no signs or traffic lights. Like the signs literally bent like at a 90-degree angle, and all the traffic lights don't work because a lot of places didn't have electricity. I saw a meme about Floridians going around to look at damage like it's Christmas lights. It's like so funny, but not funny, but it's true. Like, we even went downtown to see like what happened. And to sum this up, it was a hot mess. There's trash everywhere. Volunteers were gutting out all the businesses from all the water damage. It's literally a ghost town. Overall, this experience has been absolutely insane. And it's like I moved to a new city and they're building from the ground up.